Hello, this is the first day of autumn. It's September 23rd. I'm heading out to see if I can do some creek smallmouth fishing. I'll be happy to catch whatever I can get. So I'm gonna head over to a local creek and see if there's any fish. So come and join me. If you're a subscriber, thank you so much. If you're not a subscriber, I would encourage you to do so, especially if you like what you see. But let's get out here and see if we can catch some fish. Hopefully it'll be a good morning. It is a little cold. It's about 55 degrees right now with a slight little breeze, but I'm hoping it's still going to make for some decent fishing, because I'm assuming the water is probably still going to be at a decent temperature. But let's get down there and let's see if we can catch some fish. All right, I'm just waiting to try to get into that right spot where I'm going to be making my first cast. Today's the first day of fall. You can already see the stuff that's down there, but let's see if we can get a fish using a spinner. Got the first fish. Let's see what it is. Looks like a small one. Yes. First fish of the day. First fish of the day is a smallie. Here we go. Yes, first fish of the day. Nice little chunky, probably about a 9-inch one, maybe 10. But yeah, I didn't bring with me any measuring or thing like that. I'm just going to simply be here today to catch fish. So let's get a picture of this first one. All right, here's that beautiful bass right here. Going to be putting it in the water and releasing it. Let's see you go, buddy. All right, let's see if we can catch more fish. All right, right now I just walked to the other side. This creek is probably only about maybe 20 feet, if that. And there's not a lot of places where they could go, but over here, oops, gotta make sure I let go. But over here it has a deep section, and I just want to see if there's a fish hanging out over here. I already caught a smallie. Just got another fish. Let's see what it is. Another smallie. All right. Hold on, buddy. Let me get this out of you. There we go. All right. Right there. Another beautiful little smallie. Oops. See you later. That one might have been about 4 inches. But that's good. That's letting me know the fish are still biting and still active here. All right. I have this stretch of water right here that's flowing in, and it creates just a little bit of a hole. It's not very deep, but it'll be deeper, and the water and the current is flowing very quickly and smoothly. So this could be a good spot where bass will be hanging out. So I'm going to take a stop. There's this tree clutter right here. Gonna see if I can get something out of that, and then try in the center right in there. But I'm gonna try my first one right here. All right. Make sure it's clear. Has a little bit of seaweed on it, so comb that off. I cannot stress the importance of making sure your lure is as clean and clear as you can make it. It can be the difference between you getting a fish and you not getting one. The fish can tell. The difference in the function. In many cases, the lure that you're using won't cast right and operate properly, and when that happens, you're sure to lose a fish or miss a fish or don't even get a fish. Let's see if I can get one to hit. Oh yeah. All right. Yes. Ooh, largemouth. There we go. Let's see. There it is. Ooh, something hit it right there. You can see. But I caught that nice little largemouth. So nice to catch this. Don't catch these a whole lot down here. So. All right, so gonna let this one go, let you see it. See you later, buddy. All right, let's go get some more. All right, I've taken a few steps forward. I still have this opening here where there could still be a fish. Just want to make sure I get them all, and just caught another one. Ah, smallie. Yes. Hold on, buddy. There we go. Look at that beautiful little guy. What a beautiful little guy. Knowing they're in here lets you know that there's going to be a future. All right, just caught this little smallmouth right here, probably only about 6 inches, maybe 6.5, make them feel good. But yeah, we want to see these in the streams and the creeks and the rivers where we fish, because it lets us know there's going to be a future. So let's let this one go and let them get bigger. All right, see you later, buddy. All right, I've caught 2 fish from this one spot. I tried over here at the front part of it right after those little rapids, and no fish or nothing hit or struck in there. But I get a little bit further out, don't go hurry up and walking up in there, and already caught 2 bass. So one's the largemouth and one was a smallmouth. So just really cool. I'm gonna make one more last cast before I start walking up that way, just in case there's another fish. They all seem to be roughly about the same size. Just about that 1/2 inch, 6 inch, and I got another one. So I must hit a honey spot. Ah, another largemouth. All right, there, caught another largie. So doing really well with getting these fish, and gonna bring you back when I'm ready to release it. All right, so we got this little guy, and gonna set him free. See you later, my friend. All right, I'm still in that one hole where I caught those 3 small bass. Oh, we got another one. Oh, he got off. Caught him just as I was getting in there. But all right. This one's bigger than the one that I felt. I had one before him That was probably about the size of the other one. This one's going to be easy 10, maybe even 11. But yeah, just a nice fish. Let's see, that's about 4, 8. Oh, he's about 9. So, all right. Oops, hold on, buddy. Gonna let you go. See you later. All right. Wow, look how dark that one is. That is a dark. Oops, hold on, buddy. That is a dark rock bass. There we go. Thanks for biting. I haven't caught many of these this year. I'm gonna take a picture of this one. He's not big, but it's just nice to know that these ones are out here. But just check out how wacky these ones are. All right, there we go. Oh, he was calm. Normally when you put them in the water, they're like, they just kick off with a splash. But let's see if we can catch some more fish. All right, fishing with the Nikko Helgamite. Just caught that first fish on it with basically one of those rock bass, and just using one of those Ned Rid hooks. I think they work best with it. They keep it on. It's a really tough thing, so it's not like you're gonna have to keep replacing it. So once you put it on, you get a good hook set or hook attachment to it. That thing will work a charm. So you just keep throwing it in your hole, and you should see the action continue. So I'm gonna throw over by those rocks like I did the first time. Let's see what will happen. I was hoping that I had something magic happen here. Let's see if I can cast back over there and get something again. Yes, got one. Let's see what it is. Ooh, another one. That's the second rock bass. All right. There we go, another rock bass. So that's pretty cool. Let's see, let's let him go. There he goes. Oh, that's 2 of them. All right. I'm gonna try to get back in this hole and see if I can catch a fish using the Nikko Helgamite. Try a little bit more towards the center. Oh, we got a fish. Oh yeah, it looks like a nice one. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Oh, that was a surprise catch. Oh yes. Look at that. Let me wash them off. I went through there once earlier and didn't catch anything, but look at that. Thanks for biting, buddy. Yes. Let's definitely get a picture of this one. I'm going to tune you out and bring you back. All right. Here's that big monster smallmouth that I caught. Let's let him go. All right, yes. What a beauty. What a beauty. Let's see if we can catch some more. All right. Let's check and see if there's anything hanging out over here. Someone lost their boat. Friends, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and do share with your friends. Have a blessed day.